Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week on the Movement Snack, we're going to talk about protein. So not really moving as much as talking about something that will help you move. So we all need protein. Protein is the building block of our muscles, our tendons, our bones, our skin, our organs, whatever makes you you, it's protein. But the thing is we need to get an adequate amount of protein, not just protein to survive, but protein to thrive. So what I'm gonna do is try to help you figure out what that might be for you. And I'm gonna give you two ways to do it. And hopefully this will be simple, or I'll explain it well enough where you can say, well, daggone it, that's pretty easy. I know exactly how much protein I want to eat in a day now. Or if it's even possible. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take your body weight and convert it into kilograms and then figure out how many grams of protein you need based off of how much you weigh. And I said take your body weight. If you're lean, take your body weight. If you have extra mass that you don't want, or you're not really lean at all, we don't necessarily want to feed that. So we're going to take your desired body weight and try to figure out how much protein you need. And again, what we're doing is we're just trying to get in the ballpark, all right? It's not exact. We're just trying to get in the ballpark, because if we're in the ballpark, we're in the game. So let's say you weigh 160 pounds. And so now, really, what's complicated is Americans. I think we thought somewhere along the way that we could convince the rest of the world to change their units of weights and measurements. But I think we've been playing this game so long that we should figure out that that's not going to happen. So what we got to convert our pounds to kilograms. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to divide our pounds by 2.2 kilograms. And that's going to give us 72.72 kilograms. That's a neat number. And what we're going to do there is we're going to multiply that 72.72 by 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram. And that's going to give us, I already did the math, 116.36 grams of protein a day. So if you weighed 160 pounds, or if your desired weight was 160 pounds, you would divide that by 2.2 kilograms, and you'd get 72.72, and then you would multiply that number by 1.6 grams of protein, and that would give you 116.36 grams of protein to shoot for a day. Now, if you're into counting grams, that works out pretty well. You can just count your grams away. If you're not into counting grams and you think that's really complicated, you can do the serving size method. So the size of your palm is considered a serving size. And so the conventional wisdom is that 3 to 4 ounces is the size of your palm, and that's a serving size. But let's be honest, 3 to 4 ounces is kind of vague. So what I like to do is say 3.5 ounces, because that's very specific. And just so you know that there are roughly, in 1 ounce of lean meat, there are 7 grams of protein. 7 grams of protein in 1 ounce of lean meat. So we can take that 7 and times it by the 3.5 ounces of the serving size, and that's going to give us 24.5 grams of protein in a palm. Yeah, definitely 24.5 grams of protein in a palm. So now we know that a palm might give us 24.5 grams of protein if it was a lean meat, and we can take our desired grams a day, which for us at 160 pounds was 116.36, and divide that by 24.5 grams, because that's what's in a serving size, and that would give us 4.75 palms. 4.75 palms, almost 5 palms. So then you would know, well, if you don't want to count your grams, you can count your palms. I mean, you only have 2, but if you were going to eat like 4 to 5 palms of meat in a day, and it doesn't have to be meat, by the way, guys. Wherever your source of protein comes from, good on you. Just get your protein in, because again, your muscles, your bones, your tendons, your organs, your skin, your eyeballs, everything about you, it's made of protein. But that's how you figure out your palm sizes. So whether you want to count your total grams in a day, or your total POMs in a day, this is just a way for you to figure out your protein needs. I hope that makes sense. Why do you want that much protein, or why do you not? Look, we're trying to get in the ballpark, but you need to feed your body so that it can adequately thrive. You're not just made to survive. So the typical recommendation in the US is like 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram. And what we've done is with 1.6 grams is we've doubled it, because 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram, well, that's enough to help you survive. But if you want to be healthy and live a good life and be active and muscular, you may need more than 0.8 grams per kilogram. So simply by doubling that, and there's a lot of research backing up this number here. We won't get into all that, but it gives you enough to thrive and not just survive. Anyway, get your protein in every day so that you can be healthy and happy. And now you know how much to take in. I hope this helps. I hope that makes sense. Otherwise, just remember one thing. Drugs are bad, okay? Right, okay, right. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification.